In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Notebook LM. By the end, you'll know how to find the official page, get the mobile app, and set it up to run like an app on your computer using your browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Notebook LM. This is the quickest, most reliable way to land on the correct destination without mistyping a URL. When the results load, look for the official listing that refers to Google Notebook LM as an AI research tool and thinking partner. Click that result. You'll know you're in the right place when the page clearly carries Google branding and focuses on Notebook LM's features for organizing sources and generating insights. On the official page, choose Get the App. This option directs you to install the mobile version on Android or iOS. That's the supported native experience on phones and tablets. If you're on mobile, follow the prompts in your App Store to complete the installation. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and allow any basic permissions the app requests so features like file access and notifications work as intended. Now, if you're on a computer, there isn't a traditional desktop installer, but there is a simple way to run Notebook LM like an app through your browser. Click. Try Notebook LM on the site to open the web experience. Once the page loads, glance to the top of your browser window near the extensions puzzle piece icon or the bookmark star. You should see a small download or install icon. Click that, then choose Install. This creates a standalone window for Notebook LM that behaves like an app, with its own shortcut and cleaner workspace. It's great for staying focused, and you can pin it to your taskbar or dock for quick access. If you're prompted to sign in at any point, use your Google account and complete any verification steps. Should the install icon be missing, try updating your browser or switching to a Chromium-based browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge, then reload the page. Also ensure pop-ups aren't blocked for the site, as that can interfere with the installation prompt. That's it. You've searched for Notebook LM, opened the official page, used Get the App for mobile, and used Try Notebook LM plus the install icon to set it up on your computer. Enjoy a smoother, app-like Notebook LM experience wherever you work.